What'd you get, sis? Show me. Do you like it?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah?
Taylor?
Peel this off.
Hold on, I'll turn it off. Hold on.
Can we open them? Can we open them? Can we open them?
Yeah. This is the Tegan.
Tegan, can you come open it over here so I can see? Over here, bub.
Can you start opening
This is
it?
the Titan.
Awesome.
This is the Tegan.
Okay, what?
This is the Taylor.
Try.
Package of
That's
batteries.
okay. That's you're supposed to.
Obviously something needs batteries. That's pretty smart though.
Oh my gosh.
What is this?
Oh my gosh.
What is it?
Look at the front.
Hey, look at the front.
What is it? It's just like mommy's.
Set it back over.
A computer? What is this? A computer.
Whoa. Those are pretty cool.
Wow.
Hold on. Let Daddy help you.
Let's see it, son.
What is it? This?
Let me see, Tay. Oh, let me see. What
What
is
is it? I think it's
Oh,
a
it's like
computer.
it's like an iPad kind of. Very cool.
Oh, you can
You got a computer
Oh,
too?
someone open it.
Daddy will. Do you like it?
You can
Hey, get the little red billet screwdrivers.
What, Mommy?
Oh my gosh.
I got two.
You can draw. You can color. Come here. Come over here. Let me see you.
Got a mouse.
Is that real?
Yeah, it's
Taylor,
right.
come here, honey. Let me see.
Yep.
Does this have games? Daddy. Oh, I got it.
Yeah, I think
Can you
it
hold
does.
up both? Because they're both the same.
Tip,
They are.
tip,
Oh yeah, cool.
tip.
I like them.
You need to make real computers
Sweet.
Like that. Sweet. Did you say sweet?
Hey, can all three of you guys?
Yep, but we got
Hey.
batteries.
Yeah, just a minute. Can all three of you stand right here?
Hey, you guys got something else down there to open?
Can we open mine? Oh, they do. I'll open mine. Hey, where's my other one? Now, where's my other one? Is this one? Oh, yeah.
Titan, can you come over here so I can see you?
That's cool. Oh!
What is it, T?
Don't shoot me with it.
It's not a real one.
Oh man, those look like
So,
fun.
can you open it all?
That's very nice of you, Tay.
Oh, that's hard. Daddy, look. What is it? Okay. Awesome! New gun! Not real. I know. It's cool. Oh, Cheyenne!
Oh
Me
man.
and Cheyenne both got the same thing.
Hey, Tegan, can you come over
Can
here?
I open this?
Hold on just a second. Can you guys say Merry Christmas and say thank you?
Merry Christmas, thank you.